Take one tomato, cut it into thin slices. Now take the slice of tomato and start rubbing it on your face. Add more glow to your face, add few drops of honey on the slice and just rub it for 2 to 4 minutes in a circular motion, and then allow it to remain on your skin for 10 minutes. Wash the face with water. Use this remedy daily and all your skin issues will vanish. Tomato helps to kill the bacteria responsible for the spread of acne, clear up the clogged pores, remove pigmentation from the skin, and also repairs the damaged skin. It helps in moisturizing the dry skin and retain natural moisture in the skin. Take 2 teaspoons of water and add 1/2 bowl of flaxseeds to it. On a low-medium flame, bring it to boil, stirring flaxseeds often with preferably a wooden spoon. Continue stirring while it simmers. Turn off the heat when a white frothy gel-like liquid forms. It will have a raw egg white consistency. Let it cool down for some time. Squeeze out the gel using a clean and thin cotton cloth. You can store this gel for up to 1 month in refrigerator in an airtight container. Apply this gel all over your face. Leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes, then wash off with cool water. Flaxseed gel puts life to your dull and lifeless skin, making it look bright and glowy. This seed has moisturizing properties, all thanks to its omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds prevent our skin from drying out. Flax seeds leave your skin hydrated and well moisturized. They contain an antioxidants that prevent skin damage due to exposure to heat, pollution, and other factors. Flax seeds heal your skin and makes it appear even-toned and clear. It helps to tighten loose skin on your face. You can also use this gel to reduce pimples and breakouts. Take 1/2 banana and cut it into small cubes. Put them in a mixer jar, blend them to make a smooth paste. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of smooth banana paste and add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Break open 1 green tea bag and add tea powder to the paste. Mix all the ingredients well. First, cleanse your face with a mild cleanser and then apply the paste on your face. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with cool water. Your face will instantly feel smooth and clean. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that clear up your skin and makes it healthy and glowing. It absorbs the impurities and clear blackheads quickly. Bananas are full of antioxidants which not only help to remove dead skin cells but also leaves your skin feeling new, fresh and rejuvenated. They are a great natural moisturizers for your skin. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.